Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use automation with emails in HubSpot. This is a powerful feature that allows you to create automated email sequences based on specific triggers, helping you engage with contacts at exactly the right moment without manual intervention. First, head over to HubSpot.com in your web browser and sign in to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your marketing tools are accessible. On the left panel, look for the option named Marketing. Hover your mouse over it and a menu will expand, revealing several options. From there, click on Email to access your email management tools. In the email menu, you'll find the option to create a new email, which is where we'll set up our simple email automation. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Create button. This action will open a right side panel presenting you with different email types. You'll see options for regular, automated, or blog RSS type emails. Go ahead and select regular email to proceed with building your automation foundation. After selecting your email type, you'll be taken to a page displaying various pre-made templates that you can customize to suit your specific needs. For this tutorial, we'll keep things straightforward by using the blank template. This approach helps emphasize how simple automation creation can be. Select Start from Scratch to begin with a clean slate. Once you're in the email editor, direct your attention to the top panel where you'll see several tabs including Edit, Inbox, Send to, Schedule Setup, and Automate. Click on the Automate tab as this is where the magic happens for setting up your automated workflow. You'll now be presented with two automation options. You can either add contacts to a segment or create your own simple workflow. Choose the option that says Create Your Own Simple Workflow and click on Create New Workflow to move forward. A right side panel will appear showing you the automation trigger options. This is where you define what action will kick off your automation sequence. For this tutorial, we'll use the trigger contact click a link in email, which is perfect for following up with engaged contacts. After selecting your trigger, click Save at the bottom of the screen. You'll now see the workflow diagram interface. To add the next action in your sequence, click on the plus icon at the bottom of your workflow. A left side panel will appear with action options. Since we're building an email automation, click on Communications to access email-related actions. After clicking Communications, you'll see three options: Send Email, Send Internal Email Notification, and Send Internal Marketing Email. Select the Send Email option to continue building your automated sequence. You'll now be asked which email should be sent out after the first action triggers. In this section, you can select a thank you message or whatever response fits your strategy best. Once you've chosen your email, make sure to turn your workflow on using the toggle switch and give your email workflow a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Finally, click Save to activate your automation. Your email workflow is now live and will automatically respond to the trigger you set up. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.